Okay guys, so I opened the box and the paper that it came in just kind of confused me a little bit. So I moved the production downstairs, which is actually, the worms will actually be in our basement full-time anyways. So it makes sense to bring them down here. But just to show you the instructions here, let me get closer to the light. You know, it talks about you want to release your worms in the evening when it's not too hot and not too bright. So number 1 kind of contradicts number 3, where then it says put a light on. You know, the worms are going to be adjusting for the next few days, and they're going to be exploring, and we don't want them to explore outside of the container. So, anywho, I don't really know. I don't want to wait till the evening. I don't really have time. I have time to do it now. So I'm going to release the worms now. I'm in my dark basement. And then I'm going to go up and eat lunch. And then I'm going to come down and, you know, just keep them with the light on, or here by the door, so that hopefully they don't explore outside of the bin. So let me get this opened up and you can see what I see for the first time. Alright, so I'll bring it over here towards the light. Looks like it's in a little canvas mesh bag there. So I'm going to open this up and then I'll bring you back. Inside the bag was this canvas mesh bag. It's very soft. So I'm going to open up, and I've pulled back my newspaper bedding here. Got my food in the corner. So I'm going to open it up and pour the worms in, and I'll bring you back to that, okay? First look, we have our worms. I'm going to go ahead and pour them on in. Oh, I'm so excited. They're here. Okay, I'm gonna just tip it over and try to delicately do this. I might need to put you guys down and bring you back once I have them poured out. So I'm gonna do that, and give me a moment. I don't know if you can see, but one little guy chewed through the bag, or through the sewing bit. Let me see if it can focus here. But other than that, I've got my guys here. I'm gonna cover it up real close, but I just wanted to show you. They're in, it's very dark in here, you know, just because we wanted it to be dark for them, but they're here. They have plenty of food. I'm gonna hope that they get adjusted. This poor little guy, we may have one casualty. You see, he's crawled through the sewing. I saved him, and he's now in there with his family. Let me just make sure there's no more worms hanging out around here. Oh, we got a little bit right there. Let's put that in. Okay, so I put the newspaper back. The worms are in. I've put the newspaper back, and gonna put the lid back on. So their final resting place, or their final home, is going to actually be in our spare shower stall. So I might take them in there, or you know, I might just let them be here for now and check on them later. You know, now I'm not gonna open the thing up for a few days. You know, we want them to get acclimated over the next few days, so I won't open it again, and if I do, it will have to be the evening. We need to give them some time and some space to adjust. So we'll check back in a few days.